Hey flockers! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put on a hoodie and how to put on a harness. It's a very important part of getting ready to go outside warm and safe. First, the harness. Tuck the harness over the head and then pull one wing through, then the other wing through. There's lots of room when the straps are all the way open. Next, gently snug up the straps. You're going to have to slide the straps a little bit just to get them to snug up. I like to wear my harness with the buckle on the back. If I can't see the buckle, I don't worry at it. And it's kind of comfortable back there. It works for me. Might take your hooman a few minutes to snug up the harness, but don't I look handsome? These harnesses are very comfortable to wear. Yeah. And there we're ready to go. Let me help. Somehow, I don't think my hooman wanted my help. Next, pick out your hoodie. Be fashion conscious and look at all of your choices before making a choice. I'll pick gray with rainbows. Open up the Velcro and pop the hoodie right over the head. Pull it down like a poncho. Then tuck the sides of the hoodie under the wings and snug the Velcro at the back. It's actually quite quick to pop on a hoodie. They're quite comfortable too. All right, fix up that hood, fix up the cords, and you are ready to go outside. Wasn't that easy? Now, the important bit about getting dressed once you are a really handsome bird is looking around and making sure that everything is right in your world. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Beak that subscribe button, join the flock, and don't forget to wear a hoodie and a harness. Bok bok!